Go across to DD India's Deepika Mehto. She is joining us live from Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh. Deepika, Gorakhpur holds immense political significance once a Congress settled now BJP stronghold. Tell us how interesting you think the battle will be. Ravi Kishan and Kajal Nishad up against each other.
A very good morning, Abhishek. Yes, as you said it, Gorakhpur is a matter of prestige when we talk about UP's Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Since the time Yogi Adityanath has taken the reins, he has dominated this particular seat of Gorakhpur. Now there is a cast of battle here in Gorakhpur because this is directly between Ravi Kishan and versus Kajal Nishad. Kajal Nishad is battling on the grounds of caste system here, which is Nishad. Nishad are the local sailormen over here. So she is fighting on the grounds that support the Nishad caste over here, whereas Ravi Kishan is up against Kajal Nishad over here, which is directly between BJP and the SP. Both of them are campaigning aggressively. We've seen a different and a completely celebrity seat occupied by both the sides over here in this very particular seat of Gorakhpur. Now, in the continuous rallies which are being held, and CM Yogi Adityanath is accompanying Ravi Kishan in almost all the rallies. In a recent comment, he is called Ravi Kishan as Khalnayak, or the hero of Gorakhpur. So this completely defines the confidence that CM Yogi Adityanath is having in his candidate Ravi Kishan. It remains to be seen what the people will decide, because the results will be out on for the 4th of June. But before that, the push is there from both the sides, equally divided and equally aggressive from SP as well as BJP ahead of the polling, which is scheduled to take place on the 1st of June, Abhishek.
Deepika, what are the voters saying? The demands, the challenges, what do they want from the government?
Across Uttar Pradesh, Abhishek, the demand of the voters is job employment, development, which focuses on infrastructure development, and better education system, better healthcare system. This is what the public demand here, because this is more like a caste-related fight. And if we step aside from the national issues, there they want more recognition for the caste people. They want more development for the particular caste over here, because UP, we've learned from different locations, be it Azamgarh, be it Bareilly, or be it Gorakhpur or Varanasi, the caste system is prevailing in a much larger manner and at a much larger length and breadth as we compare to the national issues. So this is what people are, especially of different caste systems, are looking forward to when they look at the promises which are being cast by both the parties here, Abhishek.
All right, Deepika, we'll leave it at that. Thank you for your inputs. Now let's take a look at